I got my video looking from this to this, using some free tools which I'm about to put you through on how to use it so as to achieve same result or even better depending on your creativity, just like I've achieved mine. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get your background to become any design, absolutely any background of your choice. You can even get your background to be a video if you're into illustrative videos using these simple applications which I'm going to show you and walk you through on how to achieve exactly this result. But first, before we go into the entire process, there are some basic rules we need to abide by so as to get seamless results without anyone really noticing that this video or the background you're working with is not actually your background. Right now, I'll outline the important rules that we need to follow so as to achieve this seamless video. First of all, you have to make sure that the device you're using has a clean lens. Either you're using your mobile phone or you're using a professional camera, just make sure that the lens is clean and clear. You can get a clean soft cloth and wipe the lens. This single act will take your video quality to another level. Sometimes we have fingerprint stains all over the camera lens, which actually affects the way our video comes out. Then the next thing we need to take to consideration is your lighting. No matter the kind of light you have, either a softbox, a ring light, the lighting in your room, or just a natural light, any of the light will do. Just make sure that your room is well lit, is bright enough to capture your image, and it's not going to be looking dark and unprofessional. Try as much as possible. Natural source of light is the best lighting. The next thing you need to do is to have a sturdy camera. It does not need to be wobbling, it does not need to be shaky and all of that. Even if you don't have a tripod, you can just get stacks of books and place your phone there. Make sure you position it in a way that it's going to capture your face, because when it moves around so much, it's going to affect the editing of this process and you will not get a seamless background. You do not need so much body movement. You do not need so much hand gestures. You need to have minimal movement, conscious movement, so that you don't have shadows going into the background you will be using for the video. But do not use an outfit that will be contrasting with the color behind you. I have a plain wall, it's not so busy, I don't have so much going on, and I have a plain color dress. Else the colors will contrast and you will not get a seamless result. And it's important that you choose backgrounds that are not conflicting with the topic you're trying to talk about. You do not need to have abstract background from what you're discussing. For instance, you're a food blogger, you're talking about food and you have picture of nature behind you. Try as much as possible to get something related to your niche. Now, to see how I achieve these results, the first thing we need to do is to generate our images on firefly.adobe.com. Click on the prompt box, erase the command on it, and type in your idea. Here I just typed in the idea of the image I want for my background: a beautiful aesthetic living room with a lit lamp and a television. There are many other sites you can get your images from, but I prefer this because you can generate unlimited images, unlike other ones that limit the number of images you can create per day. I'll leave a list of some of the sites in the comment below. Next, I'll click on generate and the images gets generated. I'll scroll through them to see if the images suits the idea that I want. Next, I'll tap on any of the images I want to use and the download icon will appear. Press down on the image and select to save to photos. Here I'm not satisfied with the generated images, so I'll modify my description by adding depth of field. This very statement changes a lot of things in your image. It makes it look like you have enough room behind you and you are farther away from the image, giving you a more realistic look. So this is what I have after making the adjustment to my description. I also removed the standing lamp because I didn't like the position on the image. Then I go ahead and save the images. I'll leave all this description in the comment box. You can go ahead and use them to create even broader and better ideas. Next, we go to Canva. Canva is important because this is where the images will be changed to the aspect ratio of 16:9, which is YouTube standard ratio. Click on the search bar and type YouTube thumbnail. Tap to see all prompts. Choose the blank page. Next, we import the saved images from our library. we resize it to fit the blank page so as to get the ratio we need. Now you can see how much depth the image has because of the earlier tweak made to the description. I readjusted it to make sure there is more room behind than in front. Now I'm okay with it, but I want to add YouTube logo. So I click on Elements, search for YouTube logo, tap on See All. Canva has a paid and free version, but you can do as much as you want with the free version. It will serve perfectly well. The images with the crown are for the pro version, so I'll go ahead and choose one of the free ones. Then I'll resize it and place it on the television. To resize more images, click the plus sign, tap on the blank page and do the same for all. When you're done, tap on the export button at the top, download and select the ones you want to download to your gallery. Next, we generate our stock videos so that we can edit the image and video background at the same time. For this, we go to pixels.com. What we need are videos, so we click on videos. A lot of stock videos will come up. You can also search for a video idea in the search bar. One important thing to consider when choosing a video here is the aspect ratio of the social media platform you want to use the video on. Here it's for YouTube, so I go ahead and choose the ones with the 16:9 ratio, which are the horizontal ones. I'll choose this one, click on free download. After it downloads, you'll be asked to donate to the creator of the video, which is very optional. I'll go ahead and pick another video and it's time to put them together. Capcut is the editing app we'll be using to put everything together. It has the free and paid version as well. So now click on new project, import the video you wish to edit. Next, click on the plus sign. Select the resized photo we worked on earlier for your background. Tap on the video. Below the toolbar, scroll and select overlay. Then drag the video to be in line with the photo. Next, stretch the photo through to the length of the video so as to be in line with it. Tap on the video again on the toolbar. Select Remove BG, click on Auto Removal and the video background will be removed automatically. To make the image more realistic, we'll go to Effects to give it a blurry background. Scroll to Lens, click on Blur, adjust the intensity of the blur effect. I'll leave mine at 22 to make it more realistic. Now stretch out the effect to cover the length of the image as well. Next, reposition your video to your preference. If you want it centered or to the side, depend on what you're trying to achieve. One thing I like to do is to color grade my video so as to blend into the image and give a brighter look. Now click on adjust the brightness, saturation and the rest of the other features there till you get a perfect color tone that you like. Now you can see the difference. You can also change as many backgrounds as you like. All you need to do is repeat the process of adding in the image, stretching it out and blurring the background. So for the video background, click on the plus sign, select the video you want to use and it automatically becomes your background because the background of our main video has been removed earlier. So for those into illustrative video content, all you need to do is to tap on your original video, resize and reposition it, add as many videos as possible by repeating the same process, and you will have your background images and videos blended into your original video. You can actually see it's possible to switch either between video background or photo background depending on what you want to achieve. So guys, that's how you can achieve this result seamlessly and bring your creativity to life. I really hope that with this knowledge you've gained is going to help you push your content creation game a bit further. If you've been procrastinating about beginning your own content creation game, take this video as a sign. If you've watched up to this point, please do well to give this video a thumbs up, hit the like button so that the algorithm can push this video to as many people as possible who needs to see this. Hit the subscribe button, it will warm my heart so much. Thank you so much for sticking around And if you got value from this video, please put in the comment section, I got value, and I'll send my cases to you. I am on this page doing whatever I'm doing because of you. If there is something you want to see, do well to put it in the comment section as well. And if you want to know how to remove background noise from your recorded videos, check my next video or click this link right here.